Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another 2-minute training from your favorite speech therapist. Today we are talking about lip exercises. Raise your hand if you have ever thought about how much your lips move and work when you are talking or swallowing. Maybe not that many of you, but your lips are key players in both. When you are talking, your lips are moving together, spreading apart, and making all kinds of shapes to make the sounds in each word come out just right. And when you are eating and drinking, your lips are helping you pull the food into your mouth and then keeping it there so nothing comes running back out. But sometimes the lips become weak or impaired in some way, maybe from a stroke or Parkinson's disease, cancer, even dementia, and so they need some help to get stronger and more coordinated. Watch as I show you 5 lip exercises you can do today. Now, to add a little extra resistance and build more strength, you can also try these 2 exercises. All of these exercises work best if you can hold them for at least 5 seconds. And I would also suggest using a mirror to check on symmetry, especially if you're recovering from a stroke. You can always lightly assist moving your lip up or back with your fingers until you can build up enough strength to do it yourself. These exercises and instructions for how many repetitions and sets to complete are down below in the description section. And that's a wrap. See you for the next training.